I'm Stephanie. Today we're just going to talk about pairing your phone onto the UConnect system. It's rather easy. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the phone application on the bottom of the screen. You're going to click on it. You're going to hit yes. You're going to go into your settings, Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. And it's going to have a little search device on the bottom. Now you see it popped up on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to click UConnect. It's going to say, would you like to pair your phone? Pair, and hit yes on here. It's going to ask if you would like your contacts to sync and allow this to be your favorite phone. You're going to hit allow. Okay. Okay. And now all your contacts are going to be downloaded. So if you had planned on adding another phone, my phone says Stephanie's iPhone. So you go into pairing. You're going to go to paired phones and auto devices. It's going to ask you if you'd like to add another device. If you chose to, you are able to, and I can still keep mine as my favorite. So all you would do is you'd go through the process again by adding a device, and then you'd go through the entire system all over again. Now that your phone is paired, you're actually able to make a hands-free phone call. So what you would do is you'd click on the voice recognition button right in the center. Call Brown's Jeep.
Calling Brown's Mobile. To end the call, press the phone hang up button on the steering wheel.